We're flying high this episode, and it's going to be an awesome flight out to Los Cabos, Mexico, where we go to CNext, a design conference by Cosentino for top designers. I get to let loose with my design friends and colleagues from across the country in paradise. Then, we get ready for a great conference where we learn about industry tidbits and what's to come in design. But before we jet out of LA, we've got one last install before beating the storm of the century in Los Angeles.
Sheesh. Girl, I'm about to have a panic attack. I did the work, it didn't work. That truth, it hurts. That damn, it hurts. That lovey-dovey shit, was not a fan of it. I'm good with my friends. I don't want a man, girl. I'm in my bed. I'm too fine to be here alone. On the other hand, I know my worth. And now he calling me. Why do I feel like this? What's happening to me? Oh, oh, oh. Am I ready? Ain't a doubt. Am I ready? What you talking about? Am I ready? You gon' figure it out. To be loved, to be loved. Am I ready?
Yeah, so there's like a little thing that screws in there. Like it comes. So yeah.
Supposed to love somebody else when I don't like myself. Like, ooh, guess I better learn to like this. Ooh, it might take my whole life just to do. He called me Melly.
We're gonna lose some weight.
I know. It's crazy. Wow. What you wanna do? Think I'm ready? Ooh, think you like that? Think you like that? When I clap back like that, let me know. Am I ready? Ain't a doubt. Am I ready? What you talking about? Am I ready? You gon' figure it out. To be loved, to be loved. Am I ready? You deserve it now. 'Cause I want it. That's what I'm talking about. Am I ready? Figure it out. To be loved, to be loved. Yesterday I would have run
But just in case, please stay seated with seatbelt fastened while the seatbelt sign is on.
Okay.
This is actually a bar. Just today we are using it for the check-ins.
Okay.
It's open every day from 9 a.m. to 1 a.m. Right there we have a mat that is for coffee shop. It's open every day from 6 a.m. to 9 a.m.
Okay.
In front of the mat you have front desk. We
Okay.
don't have ATMs, but you can make cash out with them.
Okay, so
Show you from your suite in a moment.
okay, cool.
You have here the boutique. It's open from 7 a.m. to 11 a.m.
Okay.
And here we have our convention center, is where you are having all the meetings.
Okay.
If we took a holiday, took some time to celebrate.
We have 3 different pools. The first 2 are familiar, and the last pool is adults only.
Okay.
You have food and drink service at the pool. For the menu, we have a QR code in all the tables.
Okay.
In
Awesome.
front of us, in the building right there, in the first floor, you have a food restaurant that is international buffet.
Okay.
7 a.m. to 11:30 breakfast and 12 to 5 lunch. In the second floor, you have the Sky Bar, the gym, and in front you have the spa.
Okay.
The gym is open from 6 a.m. to 9 p.m. And in the third floor, you have Terraza del Mar, that is where you are having your welcome dinner tonight at 7 p.m.
Where?
There.
On the roof?
Yes,
Okay.
that's your welcome dinner.
Okay. Okay.
We have a restaurant that is raw fish, ceviches, cabrilla.
Okay.
It's open from 11:30 to 5:30 just for lunch. And in all the corners of the pools, you have a hot tub.
Awesome.
Do you have
Amazing.
any questions about the outside area?
Nope.
Perfect. Let me show you your suite from inside.
Okay.
If you leave the door open, the air conditioner turns down.
Okay.
But as soon as you close it, turn on again.
Yeah.
You have a welcome bottle of mezcal.
Oh.
In your TV, you will be able to find a dynamic menu. You just have to press menu on the. Let me show you your menu bar.
Okay.
All the restaurants, all the food, and also the mini bar is included.
Okay.
You have a bottle of red wine, espresso machine, capsules. The red point is decaf, kettle for hot water, tea, and snacks.
So this is all included?
All included and get refuel every single day. Housekeeping and minibar come from 9 a.m. to 5 p.m.
Oh, so minibar is included?
Yes. Here in your fridge, that's a bottle of white wine, and this is cream for the tea and for the coffee.
Awesome.
You have a bucket for ice. In case you need ice, you can ask directly your concierge or also dial 0.
Okay.
Your concierge will be here every day from 9 a.m. to 5 p.m.
Okay.
1-7.
Yeah.
Perfect. Okay. Do you have any question or special request?
And that's my king suite at this beautiful 5-diamond rated luxury resort in Cabo, Mexico. This place was totally top-notch from staff to food, drinks, service, towels, bed sheets, and amenities. Don't forget to click and subscribe below to get more fun design life from this Blasian. Now, off to dinner.
I've always been the one to say the first goodbye. Had to love just what I like. Now I'm falling. You say my name like I have never heard before. I'm indecisive, but this time I know for sure. I hope I'm not the only one that feels it all.
my first day at CNext, and you'll want to come back to check out all the fun I have with my friends and see the super star-studded panels of designers, editors, brands, and industry people, along with amazing experiences and dinners in my next episode. Until then, keep striving in design, and I'll be right here, sitting by this view in Mexico.
First shot, come strut walking, a little bit of humble, a little bit of cautious, somewhere between like Rocky and Cosby's for the game. Nope, y'all can't copy yet. Glad moonwalking, and this here is our party. My posse's been on Broadway.